Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yaqub and I am English language and IELTS trainer. Do you know in IELTS speaking they don't only check your level of English language but they also observe your body language. And the body language is how much you are confident and relaxed when you speak English language. It can only be possible when you speak English more and more. You must have any language partner with whom you speak English day and night. Then you will become a natural speaker. As you speak English naturally, it gives an impression that it is your very own language. You are not native speaker, of course, but somehow when you speak English continuously, constantly with other people, then you become a natural speaker. So this thing, if you will add in your English language, then in IELTS speaking you will be confident as well as relaxed. And if you speak English with some sort of fear or you are scared of speaking English language, then you will be having a very difficult time in IELTS speaking. So you must work on your body language. You feel confident as well as relaxed when you speak English. If you don't have any language partner, don't worry, you can use the mirror. You should stand in front of the mirror and look at yourself when you speak English. And if you feel any hesitation in speaking English language, by doing this activity you will remove your hesitation. So speak English confidently and don't feel panic. And you know, it is said in communication 20% is your knowledge and 80% is the presentation. So you work on your presentation. If you speak a little English but you speak English with confidence and you don't feel any fear while speaking English language, so the examiner will realize that you are definitely good at this language. So to give this impression, you have to speak English more and more before going for IELTS speaking. I will come again and give you some more information about IELTS. I also teach English language and IELTS online. If you wish to join my online classes, so please contact me on this given number. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can keep on getting more and more videos about English language and IELTS. So guys, see you soon. Take good care of yourself. I wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.